everyone, this is Inna with Innichkachef and welcome to my kitchen. Today in the episode we're making delicious appetizer, fried goat cheese. Who doesn't like goat cheese? And for the ingredients we need goat cheese, flour, I'm using whole wheat flour, 1 egg, and walnuts. Any nuts will do. We create a beautiful crust. So it will be nice and crispy outside and gooey inside. It's so delicious. I like to serve as it is with marinara sauce. And I will link below my marinara sauce, how I make for my pizza. It's delicious. It has so much umami flavor. Or you can top with any of your salad, like arugula salad, spinach salad. It's wonderful appetizer or perfect lunch. Or like dinner, why not? It's about 8 ounces and I will cut in little logs. Very simple procedure. Dry, wet, dry. Simple frying method. Kind of like chicken. Make sure cover this all. Now you saw how easy it is. 5 minutes and it's ready. Especially if you buy already crushed nuts. I did, and I crushed myself in food processor, but you can buy it. And now it's ready for the freezer. 15 minutes about, just to get nice and settled, so it will be easier to fry. So the goat cheese is nice and firm now. You can tell. You can take some heat, and it will fry on medium heat. I already reheated cast iron pan, and I like to use ghee, clarified butter. Any fat that can take high point, smoke point, you can use vegetable oil. I'm not a big fan of, but if you like, use avocado oil, grapeseed oil, will work perfectly for this recipe as well. Another tow, it's a beef fat, can work, or if you're vegetarian, stick with vegetable oil. Let's do it. We need plenty of fat. Our pan is nice and hot. I preheated, and as you see, it's plenty of oil. You hear? That's the sound you want to hear. Let's check if it's, oh yeah, get some color. Well, it's nice and hot, screaming hot. We just took from a pan. I like to hit with salt. Since this cheese is not salty, and I like kind of like French fries to salt after frying, that's exactly what we're doing. And I love to serve with marinara sauce. Here's my marinara sauce. It's beautiful together, kind of like mozzarella sticks. If you ever taste in restaurant, it's good. You can eat as it is, or eat with your greens, with your salad. And here you go. So yummy. The texture, it's fun. It's fun to eat. So crusty, fat outside with those good nuts, and creamy, soft inside, warm, gooey, delicious, with a little bit more of this marinara sauce. Oh. I wish you would be able to try this. So good, so delicious, fun to eat, easy to make. So 15 minutes. And can be fun appetizer for your next dinner party. I hope you like this recipe, and I hope you try it soon. Give me a like and subscribe. Bye, see you next time.